Hi, this is Kristy from KristyCoromandel.com and welcome to my quick tip for today. And here I'm going to show you how to assemble your cling mount stamp sets. Now, when you receive your cling mount stamp sets, they're going to look like this. They come in this little DVD case and you'll have a sheet of images and then you'll have this red rubber imaging sheet. Now, you'll notice that these are like stuck in here, okay? So they've already been die cut out for you, but they just slightly held together with this still in the framework. So what we want to do is we want to pop them out. So the best, easiest way to do that is to get your thumb and your middle finger here, or your other two fingers, and hold that image with your inside there, and then gently apply pressure to your thumb, and you've got your other hands here on the other side for support. You're gently going to apply pressure to break that away, okay? And then you can simply just separate all of those. So I'm just going to go ahead here and pop all of these out. So let's hold on to this because I'm going to show you a trick to use this at the end. Okay, so I have all of my little images here. Now, there are instructions right here in the front here on how to assemble your cling mount stamps if you get stuck, but here's a little quick tip for you here. So I have my imaging sheet, and you'll notice on one side, it's like so, and then on the other side, they've got these little slits right here, okay? So I am simply going to unpeel this side right here, find my image, I'm going to peel off the backing, okay, and I'm simply going to line this up right along the adhesive that's there, and then I can push it down, apply pressure, and then I'm simply just going to gently peel that off, and there's my image already mounted to my cling stamp. Now that is very, very sticky, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and finish assembling the rest of my images here. So let's just do it one more time. I'm going to peel these off. Find the coordinating piece. Peel off the backing of my stamp, rubber stamp, like so. Now this really isn't that sticky on this side right here, okay? So that it may stick to your block, but it won't last very long. So it is best to stick the image on the front too, to make it even more nice and sticky. Okay, so you want to make sure that your stamp is facing the right way, especially if you've got something that's symmetrical. Make sure that it is facing the right way, okay? So you'll be able to see that the words line up and my images. And then I can simply just stick that down and peel it off. Okay, so if you get a little bit of overhang here, like I have here with my image, you can simply get a pair of paper snips and trim that down if it's really annoying. If it isn't annoying, which I'm fine with, you can just simply leave it like so. So it depends on how much is exposed. Now, if you get your sticker on incorrectly, you cannot take it off, okay? Do not try and remove this off because it will not come off. You'll actually tear the foam off your red rubber and it will make your stamp useless to use. So if you do make a mistake, just live with it. Okay, so I've already gone ahead and I've assembled all of my stamp images. Now remember when I said that we've got this spare? Here's a trick. So I'm going to peel this off right here. And I'm going to stick this right inside of my stamp case. Okay, so it's going to be like this. Now, this can easily be removed if you don't like it, okay? So don't stress over it being stuck in there. And then what you can do is use this as a guide to then stick all your images back in. Okay, that way then you can always know that you've got every image when you put your stamp set away. The other trick down here is down the bottom. It tells you how many images there are. Right here, there's 9. So you can always count them to make sure that you've got them all as well. And if you don't want this bit here, you can simply remove it out. Now the other thing too, these cling mount are very, very sticky. So you want to make sure that when you are removing them from your case here or even from your block, that you are very careful. And the best way to do that, I'll give you an example right here on the block. The best way to do that is to peel this right from the side. Get your nail in underneath, right, and gently peel the corner back, okay, and then you'll be able to get the rest of that image off. Now, if you leave it stuck down too long, it will be really hard to get off, but that's the best way to do it. Just be very gentle and don't force it, otherwise you will rip the red rubber from the foam itself. So there you have it, a quick tutorial on how to assemble your cling mount stamp sets.